I'm gracefully beautiful. Hi everyone, I'm Sunitaa, International Parenting Team Coach, Voice Coach from Bangalore. Inviting all of you to this life transforming workshop, Inner Sacred Beauty. All of us have heard this adage, outer beauty attracts, inner beauty captivates. In this workshop, you're going to learn most phenomenal, amazing, long lost, forgotten feminine principles and also 11 sacred feminine rituals which will help you awaken, embrace and embody your most precious gifts. This allows you to glow and shine your inner radiance naturally, effortlessly, seamlessly, and you feel gracefully beautiful forever and ever and ever. Stay tuned for more updates about this workshop, and I would like to close by saying, live the life you love the life you live. Thank you, universe. Thank you, one and all.